Hey everyone, and welcome back to our channel. So for today's recipe, we're showing you how to make pumpkin spice. This recipe is fairly simple as it only requires 4 ingredients, which are 1 teaspoon of nutmeg, 1 tablespoon of cinnamon powder, 1 tablespoon allspice, and finally 1 tablespoon of ginger powder. You're just going to mix these 4 ingredients together. And you're done. You have your pumpkin spice. Now we're going to use this for a lot of upcoming recipes, so make sure you stay tuned on our channel for different pumpkin spice recipes for this fall season. And you can store this in an airtight container for the entire fall season. If you enjoyed this video, please don't forget to give it a big thumbs up and subscribe to our channel. Press the notification button to stay updated on our latest videos and share this with your friends. Also, don't forget to follow us on Facebook, Twitter, and Instagram to stay updated on our latest content. Have a great day, everyone.